Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting the unit into programming mode. Press and hold the program or set button until the display blinks. Once the display blinks, set the current time using hour and min so schedules sync correctly, because incorrect time shifts every event. Make sure AM/PM or 24-hour mode is correct. If needed, toggle the mode or 24H button. Once done, confirm the clock runs normally before adding on /off entries to avoid cascading schedule errors. You now add the actual events by pressing Program to create P1. The display shows the slot and blinks. Use hour and min to set the on time, and be deliberate about AM/PM or 24-hour selection so the unit triggers when you expect. Press Program again to set the OFF time for the same slot, adjusting hour and min. Once the pair is saved, repeat for additional P2, P3 slots. Make sure gaps and overlaps are intentional to prevent conflicting events. You finish by saving settings and switching the unit to auto or timer so schedules become active. Don't forget this final step or nothing will run. Once saved, test an event by advancing the clock or using any test button to confirm the relay clicks and the load powers. If it does not, reset to defaults, re-enter critical times, and check that the load and breaker are live. One quick troubleshooting tip: replace the backup battery first if times vanish or programs disappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.